Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you two new file management extension from Microsoft PowerToys. You will find this under my file management tab. One is called File Explorer Add-ons and another one is File Locksmith. These are very easy to understand thing. I will not explain it in details, but I will give you an overview. You see, in our Windows Explorer, when we go to any folder, there are some previews here, which is you can see here preview pane, or you can toggle this by Alt P. You see preview pane on and off, and if preview pane is open or available, you can see that some files don't support, like SVG, CPP, .py, JSON, markdown files, PDFs, geometric code, and quite okay image. Okay, so by using this add-ons or extension from Microsoft PowerToys, if you just turn this on, you can see this file types in preview. Okay, if I turn portable document format, I mean PDF on, I can see the PDF preview in preview pane. Okay, in many cases these are by default available in Windows. If not, you can just install PowerToys and turn this on. Okay, another one is, if you want to show the thumbnail, let's say of PDF or SVG or geometric code, you can just turn this on. This is the extension of the Microsoft default preview pane. Okay, second one is File Locksmith. I will show you in details here. You can see File Locksmith, what it will do. You can write details here. I will attach the link in the video description. You can see like, if let's say there is a file here, is you can see unlock with FileSmith. You can see which processes using this file. Okay, you can just end the task if you need one. I didn't find any useful use of this, that's why I didn't try it. Okay, but in your case it may be needed to debugging something or checking something if has viruses or anything like that. Okay, so I think this two short extension can be helpful in many cases. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.